this statue, I'm going to try to get close to this to see what it's all about. I'm not sure I know who she is, but this is interesting. You can go inside and take pictures. She seems to be some sort of a goddess, I guess. So let's go inside and see. So it has greenery on the inside, and yeah, I don't know. Let's see. I can turn my camera around. Side of the lady. We are the Air and Sea Show going on this weekend here in Fort Lauderdale, and I was just out enjoying the festivities. I'm inside of this goddess head. I have no idea who she is, but yeah, it's all lined with greenery. Seems like a perfect place to record, or you can come here and, you know, interview, get a picture in her hands. Yeah, so let's see. As I go out here, and there she is above me. I don't know, she might be sleeping. Yeah.